That's all you need. Torque bits, knife, and screws. And this door gotta come off.
The whole door?
Yeah. T20.
Wait, Curtis.
Yeah.
Could I take all the doors off this car if I wanted to and just drive it with no doors?
I don't think so.
Oh. That'd be pretty fucking cool though, right?
If it was a Jeep.
Jeep on.
Or a Durango.
Dude, it's like a little fucking go-kart. So I can take the doors off and be like even more like a go-kart.
It does. Now, we got our other two screws. Sneaky, sneaky. Is that fucking...
Can you use a drill if you... Is that a bad idea?
I'm gonna leave it in there a tiny bit, so hopefully it doesn't fall out. Freaking 4 bolt. Yeah, I do need to take the whole panel off.
Is there another bolt?
Because you gotta unplug it.
Oh,
The freaking mirror. There's another screw. Oh, this whole fucking thing just pulls out. There we go. Jeez. Alright, Joseph. Alright, Joseph, we got 3 bolts here.
Huh?
You see these 3 bolts for the mirror?
3? I don't see one.
No. 1, 2, 3.
Really? This is the 3rd one?
Yeah. Took me a long time to figure that
You
out.
can just keep this off if you want, because I want to like... Maybe it'll increase the horsepower. Maybe it'll increase my 0 to 60.
I hate this fucking plug. Joseph, get this plug off.
Huh?
Get this off. My nails are like gone. It's a real pain in the ass.
How are you even supposed to get this off?
It just pops out. Boom, it's off. Magic. What's this? T30.
T30 more like 30 if your mom's with you.
Alright. 1, 2.
This Audi mirror is giving me LaMelo Ball vibes.
3. Look, it's right here. Now this. Pop right off. Okay, I'll get the wire.
That was unsatisfying.
Pop that whole thing through.
Damn.
It's off. Nowhere.
So it's definitely keep this, right?
No.
Oh, I do?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
That way we could twist it.
Dude, I'm hyped, bro. Now all I have to do is get this bent out, bro.
Take it to the
Wait, bro, we should do that one fucking
No, because we gotta move it.
door handles out, bro.
Do what?
Get that bent out. You think we can do it?
No.
Like,
Scratch it.
sprays?
Oh, nice and snug.
No. Oh, dude, it looks so good, bro. Like, you can barely tell. But you got to do it.
Oh, you got lucky on the color.
What?
You got lucky on the color.
Lucky. No, I just gotta get a bulb and get that 10 off my car's
Yeah, they just didn't have no new cars there. And that bulb, I didn't want to put no bulb in it. Looked like it might explode.
Yeah.
Alright, you want me to put a piece of tape over the hole?
Oh no. We can put the fucking thing back on this one.
So what? Oh yeah. I'm surprised you won't break it. That's pretty crazy. Take it on there. Good spot. Alright. Everything's secured. Get that going. Alright, this one. No. Wait, what's that? Put the screws in first. There's a mirror. Mirror's in. Let's go for it. Go around. Twist them all up. One more time. Alright. Trim pieces back on. Good. That one's on. Should be good. On. Oh, no plastic broken. It's all together. That's it. Now go back the other way.
The other way.
Sweet. Alright, this one comes with a wash mask.
Let's go re-wash mask. What's this thing? Are those wasp eggs? Whatever. How could they even make their home in there?
Alright, I'll take this out there.
Appreciate it. And then you keep on moving like that. It's all much right.
You want this in the trunk?
Yeah, I'll keep it.
Bring it in the pocket. Pretty cool. Alright.
Might as well keep that, so.
Yeah, because
Something over
I definitely missed it. I'm not going to plug it in, I'm going to just put it in. That way you could just pull it out if you want to. Oh yeah, let's do it. Plug's getting in my way.
What should I send to your girl? Put it in there.
There we go. It's on there.